Cardano fell roughly 75% over 6 months, but the most interesting detail is what did not happen. Retail activity stayed neutral instead of showing a panic surge, while large order data pointed to whales operating in both spot and futures markets. ADA lost months of price action, yet the structure underneath was not empty. The question is whether that accumulation becomes a recovery signal or stays trapped in compression. The confirmed context is the accumulation signal. Spot taker CVD has been buy dominant since November 2025, which means buyers were actively taking offers while price declined. Whale-sized orders dominated both spot and futures during the same period. Between April 27 and April 30, whales added more than 10 million ADA, lifting total whale holdings to about 5.71 billion. That combination suggests the big orders were more likely accumulation than distribution. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The mechanism is the split between spot and futures. A fragile setup usually has leveraged futures longs pushing price up while spot holders sell into them. ADA shows the opposite pattern in the supplied data. Spot buyers stayed active, while futures CVD shifted toward neutral. That suggests real asset buying continued as speculative leverage cooled. It does not guarantee upside, but it creates a stronger foundation than a move powered only by paper exposure. The affected side is ADA traders waiting for direction. The 4-hour chart shows the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages compressed into a very tight range near $0.248. RSI signals are almost at the midline, which shows indecision rather than exhaustion. That compression often precedes a directional move, but it does not say which way. This is why levels matter more than emotion. The market is coiled, not confirmed. The unresolved item is the catalyst. ADA lost months of market value while whales accumulated, but accumulation alone does not force a recovery. The supplied framework gives a clear activation signal, a daily close above $0.26, with retail activity shifting from neutral toward participation. The denial signal is a close below $0.232, with whale transaction count declining. That is the difference between a setup and a confirmed move. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The next signal is the two-level test. If ADA closes above $0.26 while spot demand remains strong and retail activity returns, the accumulation thesis begins to activate. If ADA breaks below $0.232 while whale transactions fade, the base looks weaker. Watch spot CVD, whale balances, retail frequency, and moving average compression. The practical read is clean. Cardano's decline is confirmed, whale buying is visible, but recovery still needs the trigger.